website or blog. With the Site Logo feature, you can set your logo once, and it will display for most themes no matter how often you change themes. It's also a pretty nice way to incorporate some of your own branding into your site, whether you're an individual or a business. To start, prepare your logo. Ideal formats are PNG and JPEG. Then, log into your site and click on Customize. Click on Title, Tagline, and Logo. In the section that opens out, click the Add Logo button to open the Media Manager. Upload your new image. Click Set as Logo, and you will see your logo appear in the preview window. You'll see a checkbox labeled Display Header Text. To hide your site title and description, leaving just the logo, uncheck this box. Be sure to click Save and Publish to make it active on your site. And that's it!